Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another tutorial of PHP for beginner series, and in this video we will be talk about loops in PHP. There are four types of loops available in PHP. First of all, we have for loop, while loop, do while loop and for each loop. So first of all, I will type my code and execute it, and then I will show you the working of the for loop. So you have to open your code editor. If you want to open your folder from this code editor, you have to click here, select open folder and go to the folder in which XAMPP exists. My XAMPP is here. Open htdocs folder and from here select this folder. My folder name is cubic soul, so I select it from here. You can see that it is open, and close the previous project. So you can see that this is our index.php file already created. If you want to create a file again, you can select from here new file and press Ctrl S, save, and name it abc.php. So you can see that another file is created. So I did not need this file, I deleted this file from here. You must have to put your file name index.php, and now let's start the working of working on PHP on for loop. So let's start working on for loop. This is the basic syntax of PHP: starting tag and ending tag, and in between you have to type a keyword for, brackets. You have to define a variable a is equal to 1, semicolon. After that you have to give your condition like a is less than or equal to 5, again semicolon, and after that you have to give your increment or decrement part like a plus plus, mid brackets, and type between these brackets echo Pakistan. And now press Ctrl S, save, and open your XAMPP browser and start Apache and start here MySQL. Minimize it. So open your browser and type here localhost /cubic soul, which was the name of our folder. So you can see that Pakistan is 5 times appears. First of all, I will give a sequence to it. Type again echo and a line break here. Press Ctrl S, save, and refresh. You can see that Pakistan is appeared 5 times. Now let me show you the graphical working of this for loop. So this is the practical working of for loop. First of all, our program will be start, and second, it will initialize the variables. Like here I initialize variable a. Initializing means to assign a value to a variable. Here I assign one value to a variable. After that, condition is checked. Now condition means if a is less than or equal to 5, now a's value is 1, which is less than 5. So our condition is true. What happens? It executes the code inside this for loop. So inside our for loop, I echo Pakistan. So one time Pakistan will be printed in our output. This is. After that, increment and decrement part will be executed. Increment means increase the value of variable. Here this part will be executed. So here I increment the value of a by 1. Our now the value of a is 2. Again condition is checked. Condition means now a is less than 5. So condition again becomes true. Again Pakistan will be printed second time. Again increment, the value of a is now 3. It will again check the condition. Now 3 is also less than 5. So when the value of a is 6, so 6 is not less than 5 and not equal to 5, our condition becomes false and our program will be end. So in this case, our Pakistan will be print 5 times in our output. I hope that you must understand the working of for loop. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. And in the next video, I will be talk about while loop and do while loop. So subscribe to our channel and share this video with your those friends who want to learn PHP and who are interested in programming, especially in web development. And finally, thanks for watching.